Today we're taking a look at the Tesla stock, ticker symbol TSLA, in anticipation of the upcoming Thursday, April 22, 2021 trading day. Welcome back to Capital Consultant. Let's dive right into it. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to get notified as soon as these videos are released so that you have more time to plan out your trades, as we provide these stock analysis videos on a daily basis after market close. If you want to benefit the most from our analysis, then here's a tip before we start. I mainly recommend listening to my voice, only taking small peeks at the video every once in a while, having your own chart ready on the side going through this analysis. I can guarantee that you'll have all the important information that you'll need heading into the upcoming trading day, after fully watching this video. Now let's get started. I'll start off by analyzing the stock in a general way real quick, and then we'll go deeper into it, focusing on the stock's action in the upcoming trading day afterwards. Tesla opened at $704.77 and closed at $744.12 on Wednesday, April 21, 2021. The lowest price it reached on the last trading day was $698, while the highest price it reached the last trading day was $744.84. The 52-week high on this stock is $900.40, while the 52-week low is $136.61. The Tesla stock price gained 3.5% on Wednesday, April 21, 2021, rising from $718.99 to $744.12. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day, the stock fluctuated 6.71% from a day low at $698 to a day high of $744.84. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, and is up by 10.9% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 6 million shares, and in total, 30 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $22.17 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence, and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. The stock has broken the very wide and falling short-term trend up. Firstly, a slower falling rate is indicated, but this may very well be an early signal of a trend shift. On the reaction, there will be support on the roof of the current trend broken, which is $743.79, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. We believe that $1,020 will be the next possible trend top level, and thereby pose a resistance level which may not be broken on the first attempt. This stock has average movements during the day and with good trading volume, so its risk is considered to be medium. The Tesla stock holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving it a positive forecast. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The last daily candle as of the last trading day is green, which means that the bulls, or in other words the buyers, dominated this session. It was an overall bullish session, with a volume of 29.4 million, which is about 13% lower compared to the average volume that Tesla normally has, which is 33.6 million. The stock is trading in the upper range of yearly prices. Tesla is trading above its 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200-day exponential moving averages and simple moving averages. This is an overall good sign for the stock's short, mid, and long-term trend. Now moving on to the daily technical side of things, this is what we can conduct. The average true range indicator is showing less volatility. The Williams percent range, ultimate oscillator, rate of change, stochastic, Williams percent range, MACD, relative strength index, commodity channel index, and average directional index indicators are all positive. In total, we have more technical indicators pointing at a positive signal at this current time, which indicate a buy on the stock, but these technical indicators by themselves aren't going to do much. So let's get into analyzing and predicting the Tesla price movement for the upcoming trading day, Thursday, April 22, 2021. Do note that if the price of this stock is trading below $729, then the possibility of downside is higher, and likewise, if the price of this stock is trading above $729, then the possibility of upside is higher. Currently, as of the last trading day's close, this stock's pivot point is at $729, it has support at the $711, $698, and $673 levels, and has resistance at the $746, $762, $775, and $804 levels. So I will now lay out a few Tesla trades for the upcoming trading day, 2 bullish trades and 2 bearish trades. Feel free to also make other similar trades based on the information I've shared with you in this video so far, if you're feeling a little extra bullish or bearish on this stock. And always remember that when a support is broken, then it becomes resistance. Likewise, when a resistance is broken, then it becomes support. The bullish trade is as follows: if we open in at least 30 minutes after the bell, the stock is still respecting the $711 level as support, then in that scenario you might be looking at adding or opening a long trade position as close as possible to that support level of $711, while keeping in mind that this would be a short-term trade. Now bulls, if you're looking to trade Tesla, then you're obviously looking to take profit during the day, and so my recommendation for taking profit on this first bullish trade would be starting to do so somewhere near the resistance level of $746. So our second bullish trade is the following: if the $746 resistance level is broken, at least 30 minutes after the bell, and held for a respectable amount of time, having it turn into a support level, which results in a short-term bullish outlook on the stock, then in that scenario you might be looking at taking a long trade position as close to that new $746 support level as possible. My recommendation for taking profit on this second bullish trade would be starting to do so at somewhere around the next resistance level of $762. I suggest closing your position in small percentage increments as the stock moves on these trades, as opposed to closing it entirely at one go. I personally go for 25% increments. Our bearish trade is as follows: if we open in at least 30 minutes after the bell, the stock is still respecting the $746 level as resistance, then in that scenario you might be looking at adding or opening a short trade position as close to that resistance level of $746 as possible, while keeping in mind that this would be a short-term trade. Now bears, if you're looking to trade Tesla, then you're obviously going to be looking to take profit during the day, and so my recommendation for taking profit on this first bearish trade would be starting to do so somewhere around the $711 support level. So our second bearish trade is the following: if the $711 support level is broken, at least 30 minutes after the bell, and held for a respectable amount of time, having it turn into a resistance level, which results in a short-term bearish outlook on the stock, then in that scenario you might be looking at taking a short trade position as close to that new $711 resistance level as possible. My recommendation for taking profit on this second bearish trade would be starting to do so at somewhere around the next support level of $698. I'd also suggest closing your position in small percentage increments on these trades as the stock moves, as opposed to closing it all entirely at one go. And I can't stress this enough, but make sure you start taking some profit near the targets that I've given you on all these trades, to ensure profitability. These are short-term trades with high probability of profit, and so they add up if you do things right. Whether you decide to be bullish or bearish on this stock or both, either way, I wish you the best of luck with your trades. We'd love to hear your opinion on this specific analysis, whether you agree or disagree with it, so leave a comment down below and do let us know. And if you have any specific stocks you'd like analyzed, then leave a comment down below with the stock you'd like analyzed, leave a like on this video, and we'll get to it as soon as we possibly can. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with these stock analysis videos.